Welcome to EcoCare. We are excited to launch EcoCIP, the enzyme-powered cleaning revolution for the dairy, beverage, and brewing industries. EcoCIP replaces harsh caustic soda in cleaning-in-place systems, offering a potent yet eco-friendly cleaning solution. Caustic soda poses significant environmental risks, impacting pH levels and water quality. Handling caustic soda can cause skin burns and respiratory irritation, posing safety hazards for workers. Extensive rinsing of caustic soda leads to high water consumption, an unsustainable practice for modern operations. EcoCIP's enzyme-powered cleaning breaks down organic soils like milk residue and proteins with unparalleled efficiency. EcoCIP requires significantly less water for rinsing, saving 2 kiloliters of water per CIP cycle in dairy operations. EcoCIP's biodegradable formula minimizes ecological harm, aligning with sustainable practices. EcoCIP operates at lower temperatures, reducing energy consumption and carbon footprint. EcoCIP helps in reducing total dissolved solids, TDS, in effluent, contributing to cleaner wastewater. Contact us today to learn more about EcoCIP and how it can benefit your operations. Or visit our website at www.ecocaretech.com. Thank you for considering EcoCIP, the sustainable choice for effective and responsible cleaning.